If you want to make money selling products on Amazon using the arbitrage business model, it is so easy to do with the software Tactical Arbitrage. I talk a lot about it. I've been doing it for years, and I just want to show you real quick one way to find products using what's called a reverse search. So let's go into my Tactical Arbitrage account and take a look. Okay, so where we are right now is the dashboard for Tactical Arbitrage. And if you know the software, you might notice something different here. Your rubies and store. That's a new feature they've rolled out. They're always adding things, and we'll get to that in a minute. So stick around for the video because I'm going to talk about what I've seen with that. But the first thing I want to show you is, say you come down to reverse search. You hit reverse search. Now we're in basic. What I want to do, I'm going to put it over into advanced. And guys, I got videos that talk all about that. We got a whole series, plus we got a lightning course that teaches you all about this. But just to show you, the links to those will be in the description, by the way. But if you click, I like to scan bestsellers, and you notice as soon as you toggle that on, now you can start picking things. Now I got home and kitchen, and then I went further down because I only want kitchen and dining. And if you go to the third level, then you can see all of the things that come under kitchen and dining. This is a category that I love. You've got cookware, coffee, tea, cutlery, that type of stuff. Very good, especially if you're a beginner. And we could get into the filters. We're not going to get into that right now. I have videos that talk about my filters. But let's take a look, because we ran the search. Let's take a look at the results. Okay, so now we're looking at the results, and we're looking at them in basic. Okay. If we looked at them in advanced, it wouldn't be as simple. Okay, so this is what it would look like in advanced, and this is where you'll see me working a lot, and we'll get to the reason why I like advanced in a moment, but we'll just go right back to basic. And what you'll notice is basic puts everything in front of you that you need. It's very comprehensive. It's everything you need. You can even see what discounts the software is giving you as far as cash back, discounted gift cards, whatever. You can look right away and see if you got a match based on the picture. You can see what your gross profit and gross return on investment should be. You can click on the images to go right to the source website. And the Amazon, you got a graph. That's not a keeper chart. That's their own history chart for Tactical Arbitrage, and you can just scroll down. Again, I don't use this, but for demonstration purposes for this video, I think it's nice. So, well, I actually found one that I think would be a good one. So let's hop over to it real quick. Now you'll notice we only had 2 pages worth of results in this search. Okay, so now we're on the second page. And when we come down, I'm looking for, here it is. From Best Buy, there's this Life Straw. Now, at a glance, I can see what it's going for on Amazon, what I'm paying, gross profit, gross return on investment. Looking at estimated monthly sales, looking at the graph there. It's in stock. So from there, I think it's worth my time. And also real quick, it's also at Cabela's, and it's also at Lowe's. So if it turned out to be something I really wanted to stock up on, it's nice that they organize it that way. But we're going to look at Best Buy. So all we got to do is click on that image. There it is. Now we're looking at the teal. So with products like this, you got to be looking at your colors. Then you got to make sure they're going to be able to ship it to you. Okay. Then from there, we got to look on Amazon to see, is it really going for that price? So we're looking at the teal. It's the 22 ounce. You know, it's not the 1 liter because the 1 liter is you can tell by the image, it's fatter. Okay. We're going to open up, look at our options. I'm going to go prime. I'm going to go new, and nobody has it. FBA. This guy here, top best products, and he's got 36 ratings. So it's probably not an IP issue. You shouldn't have any. But there you have it. Nice keeper chart. Now it looks like Amazon had that. If this chart is right, Amazon had it in stock, that particular color, up until maybe yesterday. If we scroll down, we got a nice bestseller rank on that product, so it shouldn't be a problem. If you're worried about IP, look at some other colors, okay? And look and see who else is selling it. This MFE's Unlimited, okay? Look at another color. See what's going on. There's a lot of times you might be thinking, "Oh, I'm gonna get in trouble." Well, look at these people. 12 ratings, probably not an issue. Okay. And real quick, another tip you want to do, you want to see if you can sweeten the deal. Maybe you can get it a little bit better. So I'm using Rev ROI, and I see right away I can get 4% cash back from Retail Me Not. Let's see. I can get another 6% from Car Cookie. Well, that's 10% off right there. That's going to change the game. Okay. And again, guys, I got videos that really break down how to use the software. But now let's go take a look at that new feature that's going on here. Let me see here. Yeah, look at this. Your rubies. Looks like I've got 155,300. I don't know how you earned them, but here you can go into the store. Now look at, in the store, you can actually use your rubies to increase certain limits. Okay. So it looks like, for example, it says you can buy an additional 5,000. You can increase, because when you view data, there's a limit to how much you can view. You can add 5,000. It costs you 9,000 rubies. Your saved list, you can add. Yeah, so basically you can add more visibility, I guess you would call it. You could increase the amount of products that that you can see. And look at, in search, there's a maximum time that the search will run before it cuts off. You can increase that. Okay. Now that's going to cost you 13,000, but then you can see how many times you've used it, or whatever that is. I mean, items available. Maybe you could do that 4 times or something. I haven't heard anything about this. I just came across it and I'm like, wow. Always be scanning, double the deals. So that means that's going to increase your always be scanning amounts of searches that are going on. I would love that. Well, that's going to cost you what, 100 grand? Yeah, this is a trip. So I'll be getting back to you as I learn more about this. And I have no history because I haven't done it, but yeah, they're doing new things. So, and one more thing I want to show you guys. I mentioned that sometimes I do, well, pretty much all the time, I do use the advanced view. And one reason is because I can arrange my columns. I can have my ASIN column within view, right? Without me having to scroll over. And then I can use the extension Tactical Forecaster. I can click on that and then let that load. And then that ASIN column highlights. And if it's green, I know I can sell it. If it's red, I don't even need to click the check restrictions because it's going to say I need approval. If it's green, I know right away before I even click that I have no restrictions. And what that does is that allows you to really get through these, because it takes time, guys. It takes time to click on the check restrictions tab. What if you could just scan real quick and know, boom, I can sell it. Boom, keep it moving. Boom, I can sell it. You know, boom, keep it moving. So that is also available in the description if you want to check that out. But yeah, use all the resources down in the description. There's plenty available for your benefit. And I'll see you guys in the next video.